Hello, viewers. Today, with Team Donovan, we're going to be making pizza rolls.
Okay, this is a very simple and easy process that whoever you're making this for will love. So we're gonna start by getting some pizza crust, large. Cut it out. Now this is a little bit longer than my cutting board, so I'm just gonna be laying it out here. It's got the paper on it, so I'm not worried about getting it anywhere. And this will make 6. If you want to make more, just buy another one, make another 6. So we'll lay it out and cut it into strips. Try and be as evenly as possible, and actually cut in half, because each half will make 3. It's about 1 inch long, give or take. Next, we're gonna put in some Classico pizza sauce. Pro tip, the more sauce you use, the harder it will be to roll them up. So I kind of lightly put it on. Now from here, I'm gonna put a little garlic on it, some Italian seasoning, and on half of this, I'm gonna make it a little bit spicier with some red pepper. And on the same 3, I'm gonna put a little Parmesan cheese. Now I'm gonna put on some mozzarella. Get this ready. I'm gonna use some muffin pan and all the way around for the 6 I'm gonna use. So now I'm just gonna put the pepperonis on. Now I'm gonna put them a little bit above that line, so there's an overhang. And this is basically what gives it the flour look. Not too much, because the more you do it, I found it's just a little bit harder to control. So now we're going to start on one side. It should be cut. Okay. And we're just going to roll. We're gonna roll it and put it in. You can see here it's got that nice upper tower looking to make it look like the flour. So we're just gonna continue. And if you wanted to, you can make them smaller. If you had like a mini muffin pan, maybe it get a little bit easier to eat for little kids. And we're just gonna roll it again. I'm trying to make it tight. You don't want it too loose, because the more loose it is, the harder it is to control. And it's not, gonna look too pretty at the moment, but trust me, it'll turn out great. Okay, here's my third pretty flower. Halfway, now we're on to the spicy red pepper version. Alright, the final two. The final countdown. You see me rolling, you hate to. Sorry. And there you have it. Now, these are going to go into the oven at 400 degrees for 20 minutes on the bottom rack. Alright, I've got my lovely assistant to help me.
Hi!
These have been pulled from the oven after about 20 minutes. Now we're just going to let them cool for a minute or two. You can tell it's fallen over a little bit. That's fine. Some of these turn out better than the others, but they'll still all be tasty. Time to pull. And there you have it. Some tasty pizza roll flowers, perfect for Valentine's Day or any other time you want them.
Like and subscribe!